In this video you will listen a conversation between two loved ones. One is sad and other is trying to calm down him. Listen carefully and try to speak it. You will be happy to use these lines in your own conversation. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English from beginning in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Hey, Jamie, you seem a little down. Is everything okay?
Alex, I don't know. Just feeling a bit overwhelmed. Work has been so stressful lately, and I'm just tired.
I'm sorry you're feeling like that. Don't be sad, okay? I'm here for you.
Thanks, that means a lot. Sometimes it just feels like too much, you know?
I get it. But you're strong, and you always push through. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. We're a team.
You're right. It helps to talk about it. I just needed to hear that.
Anytime. Let's do something relaxing tonight, just the two of us. Maybe a movie or a walk.
That sounds perfect. I'd love that.
Then it's a plan. We'll get through this together, I promise.
Thanks, love. I feel a bit better already.
Good. That's all I want. Just to see you happy.
You always know how to make me smile. I'm lucky to have you.
And I'm lucky to have you. We'll take it one day at a time, together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.